Welcome to 40 Days 40 Brand episode 31. Spotify has made the claim that its top developers have not written a single line of code in 2026. What happened? Some random efficiency trick? Or has the company stopped working?
Neither Spotify is saying that all its actions are now bigger, better, and faster with AI.
Spotify is shifting from software built by humans to system supervised by humans.
Spotify is a music platform or using AI, or it is an AI company that delivers music. Spotify is an AI company that reshaped the entire music industry. Let's see how.
Spotify has over 750 billion monthly active users and processes more than half a trillion data events daily. At this level, human curation stop working. Algorithm become operations. Spotify redesigned streaming around AI across four layers: personalization, generation, platform safety, and business operations. Let's begin with the system users feel every day but rarely notice.
Spotify recommendation engine isn't a single algorithm, but a layered AI architecture with three systems operate together. Collaborator filtering tracks behavior like skips, saves, and map users with similar listening patterns. Natural language processing scan, blogs, reviews, and cultural conversation to understand emotional context around music and audio analysis using convolutional neural networks actually listen to songs, measuring tempo, rhythm, loudness, and sonic texture. Together, these power products like Discover Weekly and Spotify Wrapped today, nearly 30% of streams came from AI recommendation, meaning discovery has shifted from search to predictions.
Behind this runs Spotify internal machine learning platform based using reinforcement learning models often called banded algorithm. These systems test recommendation live and adjust within seconds based on users' response. Skip on track, the model adapt immediately. Users' interaction with the AI driven personalization speed roughly 140 minutes daily compared to about 99 minutes without it. Here, AI isn't a feature, it's behavior engineering at global scale.
Spotify then moved beyond predicting taste towards generating experiences. Enter generative AI. The AI DJ combines OpenAI large language models with voice technology from Spotify acquisition of Sonantic. The result, a lifelike host that speaks between songs, explains trends, and reshapes playlists in real time. Retention reportedly increased by around 15% after AI DJ adoption. Listening stopped being selection, it becomes interaction.
This capability didn't appear overnight. Spotify built AI leadership through target acquisition. In 2014, it acquired the Econest, which became the foundation of recommendation. Later, Addition expands the stack, Niland for deep audio learning, JukeDeck for generative music, Sonantic for synthetic voice, and Kinzen for AI content modulation. Together, they form what analysts call a sovereign AI stack: own data, own models, and own infrastructure. Spotify now holds 1100 plus AI related patents covering mod detection, cadence based, playlist, sync to movement, and personality driven personalization.
AI also protects the ecosystem. As AI generated music, search, Spotify deployed fraud detection models identifying streaming farms and artificial listening patterns. Automated modulation transcribes broadcasts, can harmful content, and enforces platform safety at scale. Without AI governance, open platforms fail under manipulation.
Now, look at operations. AI predicts subscription churn before cancellation happens and trigger personalized retention actions. Advertising relies on contextual intelligence, time, activity, and listening mode instead of simple demographics. Generative ad tools allow brands to create scripts and voiceover automatically. The outcome, AI targeted advertising revenue grew roughly 70% year on year, and personalized playlists drive nearly 46% of premium conversions.
This explains Spotify leadership. Against competitors like Apple Music and YouTube Music, the advantage isn't catalog size, it's learning velocity. Every interaction strengthens the system. More listening makes the platform smarter, creating a feedback loop competitors struggles to match.
Internally, AI is reshaping software development itself. Platforms like Backstage and experimentation systems such as Confidence use AI to test features automatically and guide engineering decisions. This is where agentic AI begins to operate. Instead of humans directing every steps, AI assists planning, testing, and optimization continuously. The organization starts behaving like a partially autonomous system.
Spotify doesn't lead because it streams songs better. It leads because it turns listening behavior into intelligent system that learns, predict, create and protect itself. That is platform transformation powered by AI. For more interesting brand stories, stay tuned to 40 Days 40 Brands.